In today's fast-paced world, the rise of born global companies has revolutionized the way businesses operate, especially for small to medium-sized enterprises. These firms are different from traditional businesses in that they start with a global vision from day one, aiming to compete in the international market within a few years of their founding. Unlike traditional businesses that focus on domestic markets first, born global companies prioritize international expansion early on, usually within the first few years. These firms are not restricted to startups. In fact, many grow into globally recognized brands like Amazon, IKEA, and Uber. A key feature of born global companies is their use of export as a primary growth strategy. Often, their international sales make up a substantial portion of their revenue, up to 25% or more. They also focus on creating high-quality, differentiated products targeted at niche markets, which they later expand globally. For example, IKEA started with furniture targeted at specific European markets and eventually became a global leader in home furnishings. Technology is a cornerstone of born global firms. They use advanced communication and information technologies to speed up their time to market and enhance production efficiency. For instance, automation services that leverage cloud technology and AI are able to scale their operations much faster than traditional businesses. Moreover, these companies often self-finance in the early stages, while aggressively seeking venture capital or angel investors. For instance, Lewis and Clark Ventures, a venture capital firm, specifically evaluates businesses for born global potential, recognizing the value they can bring to a region's economy. Take the case of Gateway Media, a company that quickly expanded to have 120 million users, 30 million of which are outside the U.S. Its international segment is the fastest-growing part of the business, showing the massive potential in global markets. Another example is Automation Service, a remanufacturer of process controls that, after experiencing financial difficulties, was revitalized through new ownership. Today, 20% of its workforce depends on its export business, particularly in markets like Latin America, the Middle East, and Canada. A thriving born global company doesn't operate in isolation. The success of such enterprises often depends on a robust support system involving universities, financial services, and government initiatives. In St. Louis, for example, institutions like the World Trade Center, BIOSTL, and universities like Washington University and UMSL play a pivotal role in fostering a global business environment. For emerging exporters, the availability of knowledge and expertise from these institutions can be a game changer. Programs like UMSL's Chancellor Certificate in International Trade are explicitly designed to help businesses expand into foreign markets by offering practical, hands-on training. Born global businesses are more than just growth vehicles for individual companies. They are vital to regional economic prosperity. For cities like St. Louis, increasing exports is key to long-term growth. The region is well-positioned with its existing infrastructure, educated workforce, and entrepreneurial ecosystem to capitalize on the global market. However, while large multinationals play a crucial role, it's often the small to medium-sized born global firms that drive innovation and long-term growth. These companies are willing to take risks, enter international markets, and adapt to the changing global economy. Entrepreneurs aiming to go global need more than just a good product. They need boldness, a risk-taking mindset, and the ability to learn from setbacks. Networking with local institutions, seeking international financing, and developing global market strategies are all part of the born global formula. In conclusion, the future of business lies in thinking and acting globally. Entrepreneurs who adopt a born global mindset not only stand to grow their companies exponentially but also contribute significantly to regional and national economic success. By embracing a global perspective from the start, businesses can not only compete but thrive in today's interconnected world. Whether you're an entrepreneur, an investor, or a business leader, understanding and leveraging the born global model can be the key to long-term success.